Assalamualaikum. Here is Hina with English news. Today's headlines.
PM Imran Khan successfully obtains vote of confidence. Prime Minister Imran Khan successfully obtained the vote of confidence from the National Assembly by securing 178 votes. NAB seeks detail of bank accounts of Sindh police officers. The National Accountability Bureau has sought details of Sindh police officers' bank accounts from the State Bank of Pakistan. Parties begin contacts for Senate Chairman, Deputy Chairman polls. Recently elected opposition senator from Islamabad, Syed Yusuf Raza Gilani has started contacts for the Senate's top slot. Shehbaz Sharif's daughter son-in-law declared proclaimed offenders. The Accountability Court in Lahore has declared the daughter of Shehbaz Sharif, Rabia Imran and son-in-law Ali Imran proclaimed offenders in Saaf Pani Company reference. Ogra notifies reduction in LNG prices for March. The Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority has notified a reduction in liquefied natural gas prices for the month of February. Brazil coronavirus variant can reinfect survivors. A coronavirus variant circulating in Brazil is likely able to reinfect people who survived infection with earlier version of the coronavirus, new data suggests.
The end of today's news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care of yourself and others. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.